welcome to another segment of Downtown Update. I'm your host, Ken Ayers, and we're here with
Mark Edwards
and
Todd Bebow.
And as you can see on our channel, we have a fight on the 4th of July, and this man witnessed it. Would you tell us what your rendition, what your view was?
The guy walked up, and all these guys just stepped up to him, and he was like, pop, pop, and they dropped. He had them laid out all over the street.
He was just left and right all over the place.
And it was like pop, pop. They were like, what, motherfucker? Pop, pop. He was dropping them like it was nothing, dude.
Did you see the girl fights?
Oh, yeah. She stepped up to me. She's like, don't you get in it. I'm going to have to lay you out, dude. I'm like, get off me, bitch. What are you talking? I didn't want to punch a bitch in the mouth, really? Are you sick?
But it might happen. It might
have happened.
If she gonna swing like a man,
yeah, you step the man, you gonna be a man.
Hey, I won't hit a girl, but I'll slap a bitch. You know what
I mean? Too cool, dude. Yeah, this guy dropped everybody in the parking lot right there on the street, knocking them out.
So we got it all on film. We got the whole thing.
Awesome.
You guys, thanks for doing the interview. Thanks for getting that little post update for us.
Sir.
And all of you, stay tuned for the next update.
Cool,
get updated.